How to create typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, let's create color matte for background and drag it on the track. And click on text button and then just write what you need. For example, let's it be learnbase. To change the color, because now it's white, we need to double click on the text which one on the track. And let's change font size and center it. Now to create the typewriter effect, go to the effect panel and search the linear wipe and just drag it to the text. Go back to the effect controls and put the transition point in the beginning 100% and in the end 0%. But the wiping is going not in the right direction. To change it, just change the wipe angle to 270 degrees. To make it look more like typewriting effect, change the distance between 2 points to slow it down or speed it up. Now to make it more realistic, let's create and animate the vertical rectangle. Just create the black video, go to the effect controls, turn off the checkbox uniform scale, and change the height and width whatever you want. Now put the 1 point in the beginning of the text and the 2nd point in the end, but change the position too. But as you can see, out rectangle does not match the text, so we need to change it manually by change the points with their positions. Also, to make it blinking, just wide it and cut it out each 2 frames. And here you have the ready result.